captain of ports and his office had brought in lot of issues regarding navigational safety. They felt that this boat being so long, such a boat had never entered the river before, and they said, the captain of ports said that it may create a navigational hazard due to so many vessel clusters creating a bottleneck at the position requested, more so because of its huge dimension. This matter went to the government, to the Secretary Ports. The Secretary Port says there's no clear-cut policy, and he had a discussion with the captain of ports. And he came to the conclusion that there is going to be navigational hazards in case their new vessel is permitted to be brought in, which is big in length, breadth and depth. There is no clear guideline how big a vessel can be brought in. And if this happens, there will be more applications in future. So according to him, after getting the file from the captain of ports, he felt that a feasibility report, a study needs to be done. Technical feasibility needs to be done by technical experts to ascertain what is the maximum size of boat that can be brought in. The Chief Minister has no right to do such a thing, and we feel that this has to be withdrawn. The Chief Minister's approval has to be withdrawn because he has approved. It is the captain of ports who has to approve, not the Chief Minister. In fact, we met the Chief Minister some time back and he said the boat is not coming in. I think he knows what mistake he's made. I think he knows that he's given the approval when he has no right to give the approval.